So, for today's video, we're going to be installing this skin that I bought from AliExpress. This was only €10, so it's not too bad. It has a bit of a kind of weird texture, but it should be alright. And it came a little bit, a little bit fucked, but hopefully it's fine. So we'll do the back first, just to see how it goes on, and then I'll do the front. So yeah, first thing we need to do is obviously take this case off. Okay, there's a bit of an issue here where this thing isn't sitting properly, but that's all right. Okay. Yeah, so there's a bit of an issue where, where they meet, they're not really sitting properly. But yeah, that's fine, because I'll be using a different back cover anyway, so... and plus I'll be using the case, so you won't see it anyway. Yeah, alright, so that looks okay. Yeah, so I mean, that looks fairly decent. Alright, let's try and do the front now. Alright, good. Now we can get rid of that. And a good display or a good clean, we also need to take these off. Yeah, it is way too small. That looks fucking funny. But anyway, it is what it is. Okay. So next thing is, so yeah, the buttons do actually come off. Okay, yeah, that is too big. So yeah, we do need to remove all of these buttons here. Because I thought, I could put them on, but no, they're way too big to be put on, so yeah. Yeah, so make sure you get the speakers out of here as well. Alright, so yeah, I got all the, tiny stuff out. I'm gonna leave these as they are for now, because I think they should not get in the way. So now, I'm gonna put these on last, because if I put them on now, the skin on top might get stuck on them or something, so I don't want to risk that. So the time has come to stick it on. We'll do the side pieces. Now I have a funny feeling the side pieces aren't going to go on super well, so yeah, that's unfortunate, but it is what it is, and it isn't what it isn't. So yeah, this is how it looks like so far. Looks pretty good, if I say so myself. Alright. Yeah, quite pleased with the front of the skin anyway. Not so much the back. The back looks fucking shit. But yeah, the front looks pretty good. Which is fine. Okay. Now we need to get these on, and I'm wondering what will be the kind of easiest way to do it. Because if I'm doing it like this, the case kind of gets in the way, so I'll probably do is just, dangle it off the side, and that should be alright. So yeah, we'll actually do it like this setup here. All right, so let's try and put it in here. Okay, heard some skin tearing noises. I think that's just the bottom of the skin. Here should be fine if I just secure it kind of in place and then put it in quickly. Okay. Now let's see for the top, if the top bits survive as well. Okay. Because there's going to be a lot of interaction with the skin here. Because this case is quite tight. So you just need to be quite careful. There's also some interaction with the skin at the top. Okay, so there's a bit of a fuck up going on here. Should be alright. Okay. Yeah, so you need to be careful when putting your case on, because it does look like it comes off a little bit, but should be alright. Yeah, so that's how it looks like with the case then. Oh, nice. Actually, do you know what? You can sort of see it through the case. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I didn't realize this case was that transparent. So do you know what? That's actually fucking cool. Might even fucking keep it like that. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, the front looks really nice though. Let me just clean off the screen again, because I've been touching the living Jesus out of it. Alright. Yeah, that looks fairly decent. Yeah, not bad.